How to convert HEIC to JPG on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device over here. As you launch the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar and search for HEIC to JPG converter over here. As to do that, you can see different options. You can select whichever option is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on the very first option that pops up over here. So you can just select any of the HEIC pictures over here. And as I select the image over here, tap on done. As you tap on done, it will start optimizing photo, and here you have converted to JPG photo. So you can just tap on the download section over here and download the picture. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.